Hey you guys, this is Subtile. I'm recording a random sabotage match with the Combat Zone. 50 round servers. Yep. That's it. I'll only be recording one round since, 50 rounds might get kinda long. I still need help with the editing, guys. Check out my headquarters video. Not many people will get search for headquarters stuff, but it's a good video. Yeah. Need help with the music thing, so I don't understand how people get blue tag and stuff on here. It's funny when nobody knows where you are. Just sitting right here, hanging out, waiting for somebody to pop up. Whoa. Whatever. Here comes another victim. Dang it. Crap. Jeez. I actually use the ACOG on my 360 and it's good, but I probably won't use it on here. I'm gonna call my helicopter. Whatever. Check out Cappy's channel, CappyX28, I don't know if that's how you spell it. I just want to win, so I don't care what I use. Whatever. Oh, Red Tiger M4 right there. Tell me if you guys like my computer or my 360 better. This would be nice to know. Yeah, I should probably go overkill instead of double tap. Quote and hunt. Call me a noob, whatever. I don't feel like killing myself just to change my classes. Got two perfectly good RPGs and a couple good shotgun shells. Dang it. Got one more RPG left. think this video is better resolution because I adjusted it to my computer. Right now it's sudden death. Ah, crap. Oh, I can take that down. Never mind. So I'm about to shoot that RPG down. Come on, stop. Okay, he's on me. I don't want to risk it. What is he doing? Oh, fall back. Oh, crap, it's on me. I can tell you right now. Nailed. What? There's no way. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks. See you next time.